Greetings, fellow inhabitants of the forest. I am Ilara the elephant, the wise and gentle giant of these woods.
I'm Daphne, the fleet-footed deer. May the forest be ever abundant and our days filled with tranquility.
Hey there, I'm Milo, the mischievous monkey. Let's keep this forest lively and full of laughter.
Salutations. I am Olivia, the owl of the night. May our days be filled with wisdom and our nights with starlit dreams. I'm Tobias, the ancient tortoise. Life may be slow for me, but wisdom is my gift to share.
I'm Felix, the clever fox, always up for a game of wits and a dash through the underbrush.
Greetings, I'm Bella, the butterfly. May our days be as vibrant and beautiful as the wings that carry me. I'm Harmony, the hummingbird. Life is a melody, and I'm here to spread joy with my iridescent wings.
I'm Gideon, the grizzly bear. Together, we'll protect this forest and ensure harmony prevails.
Greetings, noble creatures of the wild. I am Tiberius, the tiger, guardian of the dense jungles and master of stealth. The shadows bow to my presence, and my roar echoes through the wilderness. Today, we stand united in the pursuit of harmony. I am Leo, the lion, ruler of the vast savannas. My mane flows like the golden sunsets, symbolizing the strength of my pride. As the king of the beasts, I come here not to dominate, but to collaborate. Let our unity roar louder than my mightiest roar.
Hello, fellow inhabitants of the forest. I am the giraffe, reaching for the highest leaves. May our connections be as tall as my neck.
Greetings, friends. I am the zebra, a creature of unique patterns. Let us appreciate the beauty of diversity.